Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shoaib Education. Today I am writing a speech on Republic Day. Good morning everyone. My name is Ali. Today is a very special day for our country. Subscribe my channel Shoaib Education for educational content. It is a Republic Day, the day when our constitution came into effect. On this day, 1950, India became a democratic republic. This means that we are governed by elected leaders who are chosen by people. It is a day to celebrate our independence and the freedom that we enjoy. Republic Day is a time to honor the sacrifice of our freedom fighters. It is also a day to celebrate our diversity and unity as nation.